In this class, let us talk about another J button, which is J dialog. The J dialog control represents a top level window with a border and a title used to take some form of input from the user. It inherits the dialog class. Unlike JFrame, it doesn't have maximum and minimum, maximize and minimize buttons. J dialog class declaration is as follows. Public class JDialog extends dialog, implements window constants, accessible, root pane container. So this is how we can declare JDialog. The commonly used constructors in this JDialog class are JDialog. It is used to create models dialog without a title and without a specified frame owner. JDialog frame owner. It is used to create a model dialog with specified frame as its owner and an empty title. JDialog frame owner string title boolean model. It is used to create a dialog with the specified title, owner frame and modality. Now let us take up an example which will be explaining about JDialog. Import javax.swing.star, import java.awt.star, import java.awt.event.star, public class dialog example, private static jdialogd, dialog example, jframe f equal to new jframe, d equal to new jdialog, f dialog example, true, d dot set layout, new flow layout, j button, b equal to new j button, okay, b dot add action listener, new action listener, public void action performed action event, dialog example dot d dot set visible false, d dot add new JLabel, click button to continue, d dot add b, d dot set size, d dot set visible, public static void main string arguments, new dialog example. So executing the above program, we will get click button to continue. So another class is J option pane. The J option pane class is used to provide standard dialog boxes such as message dialog box, confirm dialog box, and input dialog box. These dialog boxes are used to display information or get input from the user. J option pane class inherits J component. J option class can be declared as public class J option pane extends J component implements accessible. And commonly used constructors are J option pane. It is used to create a J option pane with a test message. J option pane object message. It is used to create an instance of J option pane to display a message. J option pane object message in integer message type. It is used to create an instance of JOption pane to display a message with specified message type and default options. And commonly used methods are JDialog create dialog, string title. It is used to create and return a new parentless JDialog with the specified title. Static void show message dialog component parent component object message. It is used to create an information message dialog title message, static void show message dialog component parent component object message string title integer message type. It is used to create a message dialog with given title and message type. Likewise, we have these are the different methods which are used in J option pane. Now let us take up an example which will be explaining J option pane, in which show message dialog method import javax dot swing dot star public class option pane example jframe f option pane example f equal to new jframe j option pane dot show message dialog f comma hello welcome to java public static void main string arguments new option pane example. So when the above program is executed, the output is hello, welcome to Java. J option pane example, show message dialog. Import javax.swing.star public class option pane example jframe f option pane example f equal to new jframe j option pane dot show message dialog successfully updated alert j option pane dot warning message public static void main string arguments new option pane example. So when the above program is executed, the output will be looking like this. J option pane example with show input dialog. Import javax.swing.star public class option pane example jframe f option pane example f equal to new jframe string name equal to j option pane dot show input dialog f enter name public static void main string arguments new option pane example. So when the above program is executed, the output is J option pane example show confirm dialog method. So import javax.swing.star import java.awt.event.star public class option pane example extends window adapter jframe f option pane example f equal to new jframe f dot add window listener this f dot set size f dot set layout f dot set default close operation jframe dot do nothing on close f dot set visible true public void window closing window event e integer a equal to j option dot show confirm dialog f comma are you sure if a equal to j option pane dot s option f dot set default close operation jframe dot exit on close public static void main string arguments new option pane example. When the above program is executed, the output is